afternoon. Let's look at page number 116, question number 59. And it says, you are designing a chocolate mold shaped like a hollow rectangular prism for a candy manufacturer. The mold must have a thickness of 1 centimeter in all dimensions. The mold's outer dimensions should also be a ratio of 1 to 3 to 6. What should the outer dimensions of the mold be if it is to hold 112 cubic centimeters of chocolate? So the first thing that I did was think about the fact that I have a 1 to 3 to 6 ratio. And then it had a 1 centimeter thickness, but I have a thickness on each side, so I have to subtract 2 from each of those dimensions. Now I need to FOIL these out. So that's going to give me 3x squared minus 2x minus 6x and then plus 4. Combine my like terms. Now I'm going to FOIL this out again. I'm going to get 18x to the third minus 6x squared. Multiply these, negative 48x squared plus 16x. If I multiply this, I'm going to get plus 24x. If I multiply this, minus 8, that's going to equal 112. So I'm going to combine my like terms in my stacks. I have 18x to the third minus 54x squared plus 40x. I'm going to subtract 112 from both sides. So that's going to give me 120 equal to 0. Now, if I look at these two terms, what's my greatest common factor? Well, if we divide 54 by 18, we get 3. So I'm going to take out 18x squared, get x minus 3. What can I factor out of both of these terms? Well, I can factor out of 40. So I'm going to get x minus 3. So now those parts match. That's great. I'm going to take these parts and put them together in a factor. And x minus 3. Now, if I was to make this equal to 0, I'd end up getting 18x squared equals a negative 40. Well, if I take the square root of a negative 40, I'm going to get something that's an imaginary number. And I need something that's real. So this I'm not even going to solve because it's going to give me an imaginary number. So let's solve this part. X minus 3 equals 0. So I'm going to add 3 to both sides. So now we have x equals 3. So that was the dimension of the first one. Well, my first dimension was 3, so I'm going to have a 3 by 9 by 18 shaped mold to make my candy in. Have a great day. Bye-bye.